Are you looking for a job, and if you want to make a $1,200 or $1,500 in just 2 weeks, so you are here in the right video, and you will be able such amount like if you want to make a $1,200 or $1,400 in just 2 weeks, so you are here in the right place. For these job, you really don't need a degree, you really don't need experience. I will share a six method where you can easily get. I will share a six trusted or verified website where you can get easily these kind of jobs. So for this job, you need only a smart device. Like this could be your phone, this could be your laptop, this could be any your smart phone, and you can get your remotely job. So the let me tell you, let's start the website that how you people can get this kind of job. So when you will go to the this website, and when you will make your cv like an international style cv, and